Hello, Namaste, and welcome, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Pallavi's Paradise. Today, we are making for this Diwali special sweet recipe Paneer Barfi. This sweet is going to be delicious sweet for this Diwali. Let's make it, guys. Take a pan to make a mixture of fresh crushed paneer. You have to add fresh paneer only. Now I am adding sugar powder. This powder I made it in a grinder only. Just take a bowl of sugar and just grind it. You will get a fresh proper sugar powder. Add coconut powder. It will get you in any general or kirani shop. Now I am adding milk powder in it. This powder will give you smooth texture to this sweet. Adding elaichi powder in it for good smell. Now mix it well, guys. You will get a proper dough. Mix it like this. You have to mix it properly, guys. Mix it well with the paneer. Now I am adding sugar powder. The leftover sugar powder. Please subscribe, like and share my channel, guys. Please mix it well to make a proper dough. And here I am getting dough. Look at this, guys. Proper dough will get, and the dough is here. Now we need foil paper. Take a foil paper, guys, and spread the sweet like this. Spread it and cover this with foil paper. Just tap on it. Just tap on it and cover with the foil paper, guys, like this. You can see it how I am folding it, guys. And now we are going to freeze this for 15 to 20 minutes. Freeze it for 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you have to see this. You can see this. Take a plate and open this foil paper. It is already set, guys. You can see it. It is already set. Now we are going to cut it in a shape. Whichever shape you like it, you can make it. I am cutting in like this way. You can see, guys, how it is set. Cutting properly. Look at this sweet recipe. And here it is ready to serve. You can garnish with some pista or badam like this. You can spread it. Have sweet, delicious Paneer Barfi. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot, and please make this Diwali very sweet and delicious. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much.